Governor Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, I see what you are doing to Igbos in Lagos. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you people think that nobody will speak for the Igbos, God in heaven will speak for them. And when God in heaven speak for them, the judgment of God will fall upon you and all the people in Yorubas that are doing this thing to Igbos. All the property, land, shops that Igbos use their money to buy, and you people are using political power to collect it back from them. All those land, all those Igbos property that is in Lagos, that Governor Sanwo-Olu and some of the Yorubas use political power, collect it back from Igbos. Ha ha ha! All the Yorubas in Lagos and both the governor of Lagos State, all those lands that you people are collecting from Igbos, because I know that you people are not happy for how Igbos buy land and join develop Lagos. Listen to me. The way God in heaven judge criminals, people were through stunting for somebody, now so God will judge all of you. Both the governor of Lagos State, both the tinubu, both the people that is in support of this thing. God knows all of you one by one. All of you that are in support. Somebody came to your state, suffered, buy land, cover it, buy land, build house, build shop. Now you are using political power to collect it from them and come that place to possess that place. God in heaven will judge all of you that are doing this thing. Anybody that will take that land, anybody that will take that land is cursed, because you are not the one that have it. You take it with force, and the owner of the land is crying. Some of them have done die. Some of them get BP. Do you think that God will leave you like that? Do you think that God will keep silent? Take those land and take those property of Igbos. You will see how God will judge all those people that take it. I have spoken.